Welcome to the Secretary Cottage. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have been working very hard on updating our kitchen. I have cleaned and wallpapered and painted every surface, and we refinished the floors. And last weekend, I had time to work on a few new projects. I started by painting my door green, the same green that's in our breakfast nook. I really love it because it gives the very basic builder grade door some style. I also updated the fake tile, it's plastic, with Benjamin Moore's Wickham Gray. I was on a roll and decided to go for it and paint the ironing cabinet white. Like all the trim in my house, the cabinet was covered in a layer of shellac, so that had to first be sanded off and cleaned before I could paint. Believe it or not, I do still use the little ironing board. It's quite useful, and I really do like the bright white against the trim and the wallpaper versus the darker wood tone. I then went in and painted the corner cabinets white. The cabinets are full of my ironstone collection, and you can find that video in my playlist. I'm also linking that video here for you to see. I prepped the cabinets by lightly sanding them to get off the shiny, slick finish, and then I wiped them down and used a paint and primer in one. I'm a little different when it comes to painting mirrors or windows, and I don't really use tape. I find it to be very time consuming to take on and off. So instead I paint as well as I can, and then I use a razor blade and Windex to get off the excess. I really love the look of the painted cabinets. I know that it's controversial, some of you might not enjoy the look, but I am very happy with it. And I went ahead and painted the black hardware just because I didn't like the way it stood out against the white paint. And I'm getting new drawer pulls for the cabinet. I have some already. They're antique ceramics. So I'll be putting those in and adding shades to my kitchen windows and basically updating the whole room, and I'll share those pictures soon. More updates to come. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please subscribe.